Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how Poe AI Chat app actually works and what is Poe AI Chat app is. And I will also show you how you can download and install it and how you can use it. So first of all, you'll have to go in your app store if you are using iPhone or in Play Store if you are using Android phone. I'm using iPhone, that's why I'm opening App Store. Okay. Now here you will have to type Poe AI Chat. Now you can see this app which has 4.8 stars and 2.7k ratings. They have given some descriptions of this app like Poe brings together the best AI all in one place. Yes, obviously this app gathers all the AI platforms like ChatGPT, Gemini, then Cloud AI, and many more apps in one place. So let's download it. It is downloaded. Let's open it. Now here you will have to log in with your Google account or Apple account, or you can use your phone number as well. Like I'm using my Google account. Now see, this interface appears once you open this app. Now here you can see official bots of Poe app, then script bots, then image generation bots. You can use any of these bots to generate images as per your need. We can even generate videos by using bots. Then audio generation bots, 11 labs also included here. Yes, there are different types of bots. You can see it is too much, guys. You can even use PowerPoint, Excel generator, and grammar checker as well. This is too helpful for educational content, right? So this is how this app can be used. If you have to get any information, like I'm typing here, how universe form. So you can see this information appears. Uh, you can actually compare by using DeepSeek, GPT, GPT-5 Mini, and 11 Labs. Let's compare with DeepSeek. Guys, if you have to compare, you will have to pay. Like their subscription, they have monthly and yearly subscriptions. If you have to get monthly plans, you can pay 1608 rupees for month and nearly 20,000 rupees per year. It could be $250, I guess, yearly, and $20, not 20, $18 nearly for monthly plans. So this is how this app works. I hope you like this video. Please like and share this video. Thanks for watching.